I'm going to demonstrate how to do the heat transfer insulated cup lab. Okay, so I think directions are pretty clear, but I just want to make sure that you guys have the ability to do it. All right, so we'll do the control cup first. Okay, control cup, just a paper cup or a styrofoam cup. It's an old cup from Starbucks, and we're going to use that without any insulation at all. Okay, so I've already heated up my water in the microwave for a few minutes, so it's nice and hot. Okay, be careful because it is hot, so take precautions. So just take it. I use Pyrex. You can also use a coffee mug. Okay, 1 cup, which is about 250 milliliters. Okay, so if you don't have milliliters, 250 milliliters would be great, but 8 ounces is fine too. Okay, and then I'm going to get its temperature. Okay. Hopefully you have a thermometer. If you don't, then you can use my data. Okay, wait till it comes up, and then when it gets to temperature, okay, when it stabilizes, I'm going to start my stopwatch, and that'll be my time 0. Okay, so I'm just going to go by 5 minutes. You guys can go by 1 minute if you can. Okay, but I'm going to go by 5-minute increments. Okay, just to keep it simple so you can see what's going on here. All right. Okay, so right now it is at 89 degrees. I'm going to start the watch. So control cup is going to start at 89 degrees. Okay, and that's degrees Celsius. Okay, so in degrees Fahrenheit, that's pretty close to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's pretty hot. Now, of course, I have a little bit of insulation there, but this is basically an uninsulated cup. Okay, so we will take time and temperature readings every 5 minutes for 20 minutes. All right, so that's your control cup for comparison. Okay, so for your insulated cup, you know, building that, you can use the same basic cup. Okay, same size and everything. You can use the same cup at just different times. I'm just going to use aluminum foil, okay, to try to prevent radiation losses. So that's my cup for today. Okay, I expect you guys to use materials that you can fit into a shoebox. I got some cotton here, some plastic bags, some foam. Okay, so you guys can be creative. Okay, think about what a good insulator is. Okay, something that prevents heat loss, and come up with something which will cover up your cup and prevent any heat loss. All right, so I'm going to stop. All right, class, I'm back. I've completed the data for the 2 cups. Okay, the control cup. Okay, here went from 89 to 56 over the 20 minutes. In my insulated cup, which I just used aluminum foil, it went from 89 to 72 over the 20 minutes. All right, so you guys can use that data, or I'm challenging you to make a better insulated cup than I've made. I think you can do it. All right, but if you look at this data, a couple of interesting things. You notice the first 5 minutes, this dropped 13, then it dropped 9, then it dropped 7, and then it dropped 4. So it kept dropping, but not quite as quick as a rate. So it's quickest here and versus here. And you can see the same thing happen over the insulated cup.